John, baby. That bitch really nice though, bro. He ain't had that bitch. Bitch telling them Jones. Bitch is fresh. Fucking cops on the way. We on our way to the next location, baby. Can't stop us. Keep it moving. Them bitches back down. They ain't catching us though. Cause I'm about to punch this bitch.
So like we going to the next location, we come home.
Yeah, the car. You see? Feel me, baby. Feel me. Nola, baby, we out of here. Fucking cops pulled up. We all backed up right now. But we gonna get that. Let's get it. They can't arrest all of us, motherfucker. The bitch is back there. He gotta turn his car around. Oh. Ooh, his shit flat.
I knew you lying.
Oh.
You going to jail.
We out of here. We out of here, money. I'm hitting 100. Them bitches ain't fucking with me.
Oh, now he going to jail with that flat. Damn.
Yeah, he definitely going to jail with that flat.
Damn.
We didn't know they was gonna pull up like that. Nigga, call them fucking boys on us. Niggas be hate. That's what I hate. That's the only thing I hate down here. Niggas be hating.
So wait, how you gonna know where the next location at?
Don't worry, but we ain't gonna say all that on there. We gonna know. Let's get out of here first. Bitches can't got all us from out there. Not today, bitch.